Hello, everyone. What is the average cleaner salary in Liechtenstein? The estimated average annual gross salary is $53,500, or roughly $4,458 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $46,010 per year, or about $3,834 each month. In Schaan, the average annual gross salary is higher at $55,105, with net pay of $47,390 yearly. That is roughly $4,592 gross and about $3,949 net per month. Experience, extra duties, and the type of workplace can also change cleaner pay. Hotel, office, and industrial cleaners may have different rates, while night and weekend shifts can pay more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.